85% of textiles go to landfill. It's just horrible, you know, and we're a part of that in the outdoor industry. If we extend the life of someone's outdoor gear for at least 9 months, we reduce the impact of 20 to 30% on the environment. We live in one of the best places to get outside in North America. We've got this great ecosystem. We got to look at the other side of it, which is what's our impact. We need to step up our game.
What's the life we can get out of that gear before it goes to landfill? And can we keep it out of the landfill?
Rehub is this incredible initiative that CORE has put together that is taking action on all of the waste that outdoor gear does when it goes to a landfill. We've had the incredible support for providing in-kind support from College of the Rockies with a trailer that we have that houses our textile engineers.
We only had about 4.5 weeks to execute to turn it into a sewing studio. So what I did was I built everything out of aluminum extrusions, so that way it's modular.
We're venturing to 12 communities in the region. Every community you go to has their own vibe and uniqueness about them. What they all share, though, is an incredible love and passion for outdoor recreation.
My role in this project is to make sure the trailer's here, the gear repair techs are here, and that people get their gear repaired in a reasonably timely manner. The other thing that's important that we do is just give people consultations to figure out if we can't repair the gear here, to give them resources where they can get it done, so people walk away happy, informed, or some combination of the two.
A lot of water coming through here, you know?
You could really see there's just a lot of gear out there that needs a little tweak, a little fix, a new zipper slider, a patch, to get it back in working order. An event like this and no cost attached to it also makes it attractive for people to, I think, dig some stuff out to bring in and see if it can be fixed.
We're 3D scanning people's broken outdoor gear, seeing how much it would cost to fix that gear, and providing sample parts to see about the fitment. We also bring the gear back to our Technology Access Center to scan it more in depth, to reverse engineer it, to design it, and to see how long that whole process takes.
It's so satisfying after all the months of planning and all the work that's gone into it to have people hold their gear up for the first time and to know that they're not going to have to shop for something else, they're not going to have to pay for something else that's dumb and might not even fill the need they need for their outdoor recreation.
I got it back, and I think I'm going to be able to get another 10 years out of it.
Two very essential things in my life that I'm super happy to have back.
I thought the entire zipper was broken. I'm like, no, it's just this little piece right here. So just this thing, and it's as good as new.
I'm so happy that I was able to get it fixed because it was actually dripping water on my face.
We think that CORE can be North America's leader in circularity. And we're starting with that, the Rehub program. And that's the foundational piece. And the pillars of that program are repurpose, reuse, recycle, and repair.
If this goes really well and we get the data back that says, yeah, people are engaged, they want this, they want access to this, and they are willing to pay for gear being fixed, then we'll know, yeah, we can build a permanent facility.
The ripple effect of good is super powerful. We're showing that a small group of people in the Kootenays can have massive impact, and that's inspiring a lot of people to get involved and get engaged. We're super excited about that, and we're only just beginning.